welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today me and my mom have to go up to the Salem area because we have some things that we need to do, but we're also gonna go shopping just a little bit though, because we don't really go up in that area too often, and there's this like cute little mall there and we just want to check it out. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I thought I would just take you guys along with me. I have a pretty busy week coming up as well, so I thought I would just take you guys along with me throughout my week. Let's go. Stray Kids merch
at Ross.
It is Tommy Hilfiger.
Oh, nice.
See, that's more my peak.
Stray Kids merch.
Stray Kids merch.
No more, and you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? 'Cause I really hate
Cherry lime drinks. Loki slap. Loki.
What are those?
Holographic trading stickers from 5 Nights at Freddy's.
and I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
So I just got done getting ready for the day because I'm about to head out to go to one of my best friend's graduations. I'm so proud of him. But yeah, I just thought I would update you guys again and let you know what's going on. So yeah.
You did it!
Finally.
Hey guys, so it has been a few days later now, and in my last vlog I said I had some family visiting, so I'm about to go hang out with them at the aquarium because we haven't seen each other in a while, so we're just hanging out and doing stuff together. So we're gonna go to the aquarium, and then we're also hanging out tomorrow as well. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I haven't been to the aquarium in a while, so I'm excited, but I'm also scared because I do not like fish. I do not like fish for sure. I don't like fish. But I'm excited to hang out with my family. So I just thought I would update you guys real quick before I head out. So yeah, I'll see you guys there.